Good afternoon, learner. How are you? Today I am here to discuss the first chapter of Beehive, that is the fun they had. It is written by Isaac Asimov, and the chapter is very interesting. The chapter is a sci-fi, a science fiction that will tell us something about future. And it is not so far, we can understand it taking the example of our day-to-day life. The fun they had, the title is very clear that narrator is just willing to focus about someone in the past who had fun, and it also says that someone is desiring at present to have those good times. It is about Tommy and Margie. So, Tommy, a boy, and Margie, a girl. First of all, here we have to understand in 5 headings about the chapter, and here I have written introduction. The story is telling us about 2157 in future. What will happen in 2157? We are in 2020, so 2157, what will be the scene of the schools? What will be the scene of the colleges and universities, If you just look at the present time, what is happening, Earlier, when this coronavirus was not there, lockdown was not there, so what happened? You used to come to school, the teacher and the school staff also used to go to the school. There is a simply class, and the teacher used to go one period after another as per the allotment of the timetable, schedule of the subject, and you used to sit before the teacher, and teacher used to discuss some topic, and you used to ask question to the teacher if there is any doubt. The same happens from the teacher side also. He or she also used to ask question to you. So here in this story, Tommy has found a book, and it is a real book that surprises Tommy very much. Now the question may be there in your mind, why Tommy was surprised to get a book. Because Tommy belonged to the age of 2157, and they don't have a teacher like you, they don't have a class like you, they don't have a playground like you, they don't have friends in the school. Why? Because school for Tommy and Margie was in their own class. And what happened in that, when just Tommy was in his school, so the school was nothing but a class room, just like your bedroom is there. And what happened at that time, there is a robot, and in robot, just a machinery is there, like you go to the school, so you have a discussion with your teacher, and your teacher just tells you a lot of things. You respond the same, you can ask the question to the teacher asks question to you. But in Tommy's classroom, it never happened, because they had a regular time for their class. They used to go and sit down in their classroom. That was a room for them, maybe a bedroom, maybe a classroom. And what happened? A mechanical teacher, they used to give lecture. Whatever homework they were given, there was a slot in that robot, they have to put it in that. They were fed up of this class, because it was a regular class. Just like 9 o'clock is there, so 9 o'clock Margie has to sit there. No friend, no one is there, Margie is all alone. You know. So the story is going to reveal a world where there will be no book, no classroom, no colleges, no university. The college will be your home itself. The school will be in your home. The mechanical teacher will be just put in your room like a statue. You cannot ask a question to that mechanical teacher, you know. And if there is any problem in mechanical teacher, you know, it will not work. Like, you know, we have smart classes nowadays in the schools. What happens there? We just go on smart classes, but if electricity supply is gone, the class is postponed. And what happened there then? Then the teacher begins the same time, but it did not happen there. But the real book means whatever book Tommy found, that was a real book. It was old. The pages were crinkly. Yellow pages is there. When the book is of long back, you know, the pages turned into alloys, you know. Tommy was very much surprised. What is the use of the book? There is no meaning. What type of book is this? Because he has never seen the book like that. Because his book was his laptop. His book was the mobile. His book was the computer. Margie's hatred for school. You know, Margie did not like to go to school. I am not talking about the school you go nowadays. I am talking about Margie's school, where the school was not a big school, but it was her home itself. We can say not her home, but a room of her home itself. So she has to go, she has to sit silently, no friends, no classmates, no one is there. And that's why she hated school very much. And the reason behind it was that, you know, once the history sector of Margie was just gone blank out, and you know, Margie's marks were very poor because of the mechanical teacher. Then county inspector was called, who was a mechanic for county inspector, county, you know, this type of school like robot, and it was repaired, but county inspector appreciated Margie's talent, you know. Her performance was not poor, her performance was poor because of the mechanical teacher, because there was a fault in that teacher. Tommy's opinion about book, Tommy hated the book very much, you know. He used to say, why the book? What type of book it was? What is the cause of having this kind of book? Because he used to read on screen. Words used to move here and there. If you I'm sending you this video, and I hope that you will play it. Sometime you may forward it, you may backward it as per your demand and need. When you open any Excel page, any Word file, you know, you can zoom it, you can just zoom out, you can move it here and you can move it there. It moves on your fingertips, you know. So Tommy's opinion about the book was very bad. He did not like the book, you know. Margie's opinion about the old school. Here, you know, Margie was very much fed up because of the routinal class. The class that mechanical teacher used to conduct was on a regular time. That Margie hated very much. And when she came to know about the book, old book, she also just remembered long back, where there was a school, children come from different areas, there was a playground, there was a music room, there was a gym, and there was a recitation room. A lot of just fun was there, you know. Children had classmates, they used to share their tiffins, but now in Margie's just class, it was not like that, because her school was in her room. And that's why Margie's just opinion about the old school was very interesting. She used to just think about those times, and she used to love to go to that kind of school that is not available in 2157, you know. and that will not be available when I hope to. You know, in this lockdown period, what is happening? We are not able to go to the school, so we are trying various ways. Online classes are there. Teachers are sending assignments, summaries, question answer on WhatsApp. Now I am preparing this video to you. I have already sent you the summary of the chapter and question answer. But now I thought that if I speak something about the chapter, the student will learn in a better way. I hope that it will help you to understand the concept of the fun they have. Thank you and have a nice day.